Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to get better network from before networks. For these settings, you have to open settings on your device. If you go anywhere, then you can see that your network is very slow. Then you can apply the tricks on anywhere. Click to connection. Then here you can see flight mode. Turn it on. Then you have to turn it off again. Then you can see here your network speed will be increased from before. Friends, check this mode and apply it. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.